Despite its widespread presence on Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese facades, ceramics is still poorly represented in the history of French architecture, where it was only belatedly used on facades. A small family-owned brickyard in particular, located in the north of France, gained an international reputation between 1950 and 1975. It owed its success to Pierre Gilson, an alumnus of the ECAN Engineering Graduate School, who took over the company in 1936 and had the idea of diversifying its range of products by adding terracotta tiles to the production of bricks. Drawing on his experience and travels in the United States and Morocco, Pierre Gilson has introduced many industrial innovations, including 3D ceramics in 1950. This selection of decorative ceramic tiles was a novelty in that they lost their flatness to take on the appearance of sculptures. Thanks to their modularity and measurements, facades were animated with the kinetic play of lights and colors. They are made by hand, out of sienna, transformed into liquid paste and then poured into plaster molds. After drying out in the open air, they are placed in the oven before being unmolded by hand. The Gilson manufacture skills spread in France thanks to the Esmeralda, a barge that served as a display center for the product. Gilson Ceramics has made a strong impact in France and influenced the creation of other relief ceramics in the 1970s. A Parisian multidisciplinary design firm created in 1962 and named OCE for Oeuvre Centre d'Études produced the Islo collection in partnership with the Carré Ceramics company. This ceramic tile is extruded and cut, then pressed into metal molds with a lever press. OCE then created manual mosaics, which would later contribute to the development of the Percent for Art scheme. The ceramics industry came to a complete halt in 1986 due to the consequences of the oil price shocks. Though this material is no longer used in facades, it can still be seen in our cities. However, due to current ecological considerations, these ceramics might eventually disappear. This raises the question of the conservation of this industrial heritage, whose purpose was to create emotion in facades through relief, colors, and lights.